Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Take the axe out. Take the axe out. Put it down. Put it down. Put the axe down. Drop the axe. Drop the axe. Drop the...
Disclaimer. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. A man armed with a hatchet storms a public library in San Diego, smashing computers and threatening civilians. What followed was a tense standoff just blocks away. This is the breakdown of what happened.
Ray, 4725 Cass Street. We have a man with an axe in here. 4725 Cass? Yeah. Okay, what is your phone number?
On May 8, 2025, just after 4:00 p.m., San Diego police received a 911 call from inside the Taylor Branch Library on Cass Street. The report, a man was inside causing a disturbance, armed with a hatchet. Surveillance video shows 53-year-old William Hanley threatening a library employee and vandalizing property in the adult computer area.
What is he doing with it? He's whacking tables with it. Okay, stand the line.
Hanley used the hatchet to destroy computer screens and hack through power cords and empty desks. Witnesses say he verbally confronted another patron before continuing his rampage.
Coming up different. Is anybody injured? Not yet. Okay, stay on the line with me. I'm going to get my officers started. I'm not going to hang up on you. You might hear some clicking. Hold on. Okay, thank you. You're welcome.
Hanley exited the library and walked several blocks to Dawes Street. That's where officers located him, still carrying the hatchet. Officers repeatedly ordered him to drop the weapon. Hanley refused, telling them, quote, "No, I'm going to create a scene and the whole world sees it."
Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Take the axe out. Take the axe out. Put it down. Put it down. Put the axe down. Put the axe down. Hey, get some distance. Get some distance. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
I'm going to create a scene and the whole world sees it.
No.
When Officer Blumendahl approached, Hanley raised the hatchet above his head. Fearing for their safety, the officer opened fire.
Drop the axe. Drop the axe. Drop the...
Officers immediately rendered aid until paramedics arrived. Hanley was transported to the hospital for treatment.
Make sure nobody touches it, okay?
Yep.
If anybody gets close.
Okay. Keep going here. Yep.
Hanley survived the shooting and now faces multiple felony charges, including assault with a deadly weapon, vandalism over $400, and resisting arrest. No officers or bystanders were hurt that day, but it's another example of how rapidly a situation can escalate when a weapon is involved. What are your thoughts on how this was handled? For more real-life law enforcement breakdowns, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown. Stay safe, stay aware.